I'm Madison and welcome back to my channel, Mad Crafty. So I may have ordered lots of stickers from Pipsticks, my favorite place to get stickers. If you are not familiar with Pipsticks, I did a unboxing of 6 different sticker subscriptions that you can order from, and Pipsticks was my favorite, so I continue to shop from there. So today I'm going to show you everything I got. Just to get an idea of how many stickers I ordered, look at my packing list. This is filled with sheets and sheets of stickers. And then inside all the goods, oh my gosh, there are so many. And I also got 2 sticker books, and I will show you every single page, I promise. So let's get to it. Okay, we have a lot of sticker sheets to get through, so let's start. First, we've got some fabulous shoes, wedges, heels, flats. Next, we've got a fun beach scene. These are so fabulous. Oh, I love these, so whimsical. Look at the tubes, tops of the umbrellas, people sunbathing, loving it. Oh, then we got a little poodle friend and some desserts. This is very French looking. I love the glitter detail on the poodle. Here's another beach themed set. We've got a little crab, a hat, beach bag, another bikini, more towels, drinks, flip-flops, you know, fun beachy stuff. And then here, if you want to get a little schwasty, we've got drinks, like whatever you think. These look like cocktails to me though. I love these stickers because I put them on the ends of the pages and they kind of stick out. They look very abstract and cool, so I got a lot of those arm ones. Next up, I could not get this sheet. Look how fun this is. Look at the kind of holographic shine. And you know, this is what I look like when I'm getting ready to go out. Heels, music, lipstick, radio blast, and face mask. And then adorable sloths, which need no explanation. Who doesn't love a really cute sloth? And then we've got some tree huggers. Yep, that's exactly what they're doing. Just kids hugging trees, animals hugging trees. Okay, and then I could not get the New York City themed one. This would make a really great coaster. I can transfer everything using some transfer tape right into a coaster. This is fabulous. Shiny, wheelie, very cool. Also, I'm sure I've mentioned this before, but one of my favorite things are food themed stickers. So I had to get these. Little soup, this is very winter. I might put this in my winter sticker drawer. You know, yum soup, Campbell's, tomato soup, grilled cheese, little noodlies that say the letters in them, like when you had when you were little, or that you have every day. Then we've got some fun, simple Polaroid camera ones, which are always great. And then of course I had to get these. This is like a craft room sheet. You can see washi tape. It says I am an artist. You've got like little, I don't know, little collage pieces, pipe cleaners, buttons. I could always use more crafty stickers. Then I got another sheet of those crafty stickers, more glitter, pipe cleaners, eyeballs, pom-poms, Playmate Create. Also, I'm a big sucker for anything with a mermaid on it, so these giant mermaid stickers are so beautiful and, you know, very whimsical. Whimsical is one of my favorite words. Then we have animals in socks, animals wearing socks, and some more socks. A giraffe is actually my favorite animal. Got a monkey, elephant, flamingo. These are adorable. Couldn't say no to these. Then we've got 2 more sheets of food stickers. On the right are the We Go Together like ones. We've got like a donut and coffee and chicken and waffles and milk and cookies. And on the left are sparkly dessert ones. Then we've got more shiny donuts and rainbow coffee. Next up, these are just kind of magical things in jars. I don't really know what this was called, I forget, but this sheet is fabulous. Look how they sparkle and glow. These are really cool on cards. Good for any time of the year. Then I got another winter set. Again, we're baking. This is very Christmassy, Christmas cookies, more hands coming out of the sides, which I mentioned that I love that. And then another sheet that I saw and said, I cannot not get these. And then here's the sweater weather sheet. These are so cute. It's gonna go in my winter sticker box. They're all kind of bundled up. And then again, we have some more food stickers. I actually got this sandwich sticker pack in a subscription a few months ago, but I loved it, so I had to get them again. And then on the right are the ramen rainbow noodles and sriracha and the chopsticks. And then we have another winter sheet here, the little elves and Christmas trees and ornaments. And again, back to the food, we've got waffles, pancakes, eggs, a little honey bear filled with honey cereal, out of bed, sleepyhead, rise and shine, some sparkly bicycles or tricycles or unicycles or, I don't know, quadruplicles, I don't know the words. And here is Wheels on the Bus. We've got some fun sparkly animals in there. Again, another sheet that would look great on a coaster. And then here's a cute Thanksgiving one. You know, pretty self-explanatory, but it was so adorable. Again with the hands. I love the hands coming out of the sides. some pie, some turkey. And then how fabulous are these ladies with their fantastic hair and flowers everywhere. Then we got some more food, shiny food, baskets. You got some baguettes and wine, carrots, cheese. And then things get a little sleepy and messy, like me. You got those pajamas, robe, pajama slippers, laundry basket, garbage filled, messes everywhere, cleaning up. Yep, this is what my room looks like most of the time. And then we've got Girl Gang, all these little stickers of fabulous women. And then another sheet that would look really cool on a coaster. It's called City by the Bay. This sheet is called Gift Wishes. I guess they're supposed to be boxes of stuff you want. I don't really know, but they were whimsical and cool. Cat in a box, you know, wine in a box, violin in a box, and condiments in a box. And then some more food. We got salad on the side, and then some, I don't know, kind of carnival food, pickles, hot dogs, popcorn pretzels. And then both of these sheets were so groovy. I love the squares. These reminded me of, I don't know, like some color block, Brady Bunch floral flower power, so they were a must. And then here on the right, we have some fun lingerie, panties, bras, and stuff. And on the left, I had to get them. They were obviously crochet, knitting stickers with socks on the side, and I'm a crocheter, of course. If you're here on Mad Crafty, you know that. So if there's a sticker that has to do with crafting, I get it. Then we've got the awesome 80s set, you know, all kind of things you'd find in the 80s, the old-fashioned phone and makeup cases and glasses. And here is the home cooking sheet. Again, self-explanatory, blenders, cake, whisks, all that fun stuff. And here's another under the sea sheet. I love this because we have some what look like mermans in there. Oh, and then these are very Halloween-y. We've got some potions. Then we've got some plants. And then we've got some animals in Hawaiian shirts because why not? Now these sheets are smaller, so this next one is called Tiny Terrors. You got tiny little evil kids. And here is a Meowie Christmas, another unicorn pinkish Christmassy one. And here's another Halloween sheet with some scary devil girl in a black bodysuit, you know, pumpkin, scary guy, pumpkin, fun sheet. And then two more Halloween sheets, like the Halloween October cups and mugs, and then this really cool black and white witch and cat. And then we've got some candy on my left and some witches bewitched on my right. And then here comes Christmas. We've got milk, cookies, and stockings and fabulous cars carrying around Christmas trees. Here's another fun Christmas shopping set. And then we've got pirates on my left and some more fun Halloween faces on my right. Here's another Halloween sheet. It's called A Brutiful Life. We've got cats, cauldrons, brooms, potions, spider webs. And then this sheet is called Moonwalker. We've got what look like foxes carrying books and some retro TVs and, you know, some outer spacey kind of stuff. And then here is the Just Breathe sheet. Very yoga, Pilates vibes. Here's the Take a Break sheet. These are cute. I love these. She's an artist, bike riding. You know, people just chilling out, taking a break, slowing down. And this is very obviously a smoothie sheet. And then we have cake with feet in them. Another sheet, I couldn't not get it. Cake and feet, so whimsical, so creative, so crafty. This sheet is called Homeroom Pals. I love the little faces, different colors everywhere. This sheet is called Homeroom Pals. I love all the different faces. This one is called Let It Grow, self-explanatory. We've got lots of growing plants, someone shopping for plants in front of people's faces. Oh my gosh, I love these. Look at all the fun retro couches. So cool. I can do a lot of cool stuff with this sheet. And then here's another really fun sheet. It's called Garden Retreat. And then this one is called Floating to the Zoo. Animals with helium balloons on them, so don't look up, you might see a lion. Next we've got these long sheets, and this one is called My Kind of Town. Really cute little townhouses in the neighborhood. Then we have another beach day sheet. And then this sheet is called Central Bark. I love this sheet. Of course, we've got some fun people with their fun dogs by their feet. And then this sheet over here is called Fine Flatware. Some more, you know, food themed sheets, which I could not get. And then we've got some avocados doing yoga. These would be really cute tattoos, wouldn't they? Some more retro TVs. And then the very last sticker sheet I got, this sheet is called Stickers Forever, Animals Holding Stickers. Because why not? Okay, that is it for today's Pipsticks haul. If you want to be cool like me and receive whimsical, magical, fun, colorful stickers in the mail once a month, you should consider becoming a subscriber to Pipsticks. It is very affordable, very crafty. You can check out the link in my description box below to find that, because I know you want to be cool like me. Also, I do lots of videos on stickers. I will be doing Pipsticks unboxings once a month from now on, because I am on their subscription plan, so you can check that out here. I love stickers. I do lots of sticker themes too, sticker thema. I can't talk because I'm so excited. I do lots of videos about stickers, so if you wanna stick around and see more of those videos, consider subscribing and hit the like button if you, in fact, liked this video. Anyway, thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time, and that's all I gotta say today. Bye.